Okay, what we got here is a Schrade Walden, USA, fixed blade knife. It's a leather handle, but I'm going to attempt to replace that spacer with this wood here and clean this up, make it look really good, if not like brand new. All right, that's going to be my spacer. Once I get that sanded down, just split it, put it on each side. Alright, I have the spacer done. I've got to cut it now with my bandsaw right on that line. Used the Gorilla Glue. On the non-porous surfaces like metal and glass, you got to dampen one surface, so I dampened the wood, and I got the spacer on there. And again, I'm going to be putting wood filler here, once it's dry for about 20 minutes or so. I'm going to be putting wood filler in there and let that dry, then sand them down. Then I'm going to paint it. I'm going to tape it off with masking tape and just paint it real good.
I use a fabric disc on my 3-inch bench grinder to clean the surface rust off of all the knives I work on. It does a great job.
Pour down this sheath here. Alright, I got the wood filler. It's all good and dry. I'm fixing to sand it down. I might have to do another application of it. I don't know yet. Depends on when I sand it down, if there's an indentation there or not. I want it really good and smooth. So. Right there. Turned out really good, I think. Now I'm fixing to tape it up and paint it. Got it all taped up, fixing to paint the wood.
I use Remington Gun Oil to spray the leather handle down really good. I do it 2 or 3 times and just let it soak in.
Alright, here she is. Schrade Walden, USA, H-15. The wood spacer I put down there turned out really good. And I sprayed this down with oil. feels good. So I even glued this piece here back on, you know, but that wood filler did a good job. Good knife. I paid, I think, $19.50 on eBay with taxes and shipping. I think it was turned out to be about 25 bucks. So it's a pretty old knife. It's pretty old for that amount, and I had a great time repairing this. So yeah, original sheath. If I sell this today, I could probably get about, I'm thinking about 60 bucks. The sheath turned out real good too. I oiled it down really well.